Hello, Numberblock fans! Today, we're going to explore the enders, the number enders. Like 1 enders, 2 enders, 3 enders, and so on. Well, you guys haven't heard 1 enders, 2 enders, 3 enders, and so on. You guys just heard only the 9 enders because the 9 enders is official club. But the 1 enders, 2 enders, 3 enders aren't the official club, so I made my own fan-made club, which is 1 enders, 2 enders, and 3 enders in this video. So what is 1 enders? 1 enders is the numbers which has the number link has the end of the number 1, like 1, 11, 21, 31, and so on. But I built the maximum is 30 because I don't want to make it too many. So I built 1, 12, 11, and 21. And also, 1 enders always has the 1 red block in a whole blocks, in all blocks. Alright, let's begin with the 1 enders. So for the first character of the 1 enders today is our number block 1. And the maximum I built is 30. Alright. Anyways, we build 1 like this. She has 1 red cube, and 1 faceplate, and 1 number link. You see, the number link and the number block 1, the number 1, and she has 1 red block. The numbers which has 1 red block is the 1 enders. So here's our finish, number block 1. Okay, for the next character that we're going to build today for the 1 enders is 11. 11 has 10 white blocks and 1 red block. Well, 11 also ends with the number 1. So which means 11 is the second member of the 1 enders club. And 1 enders club is not an official number block club yet, so this is my own fan made. So don't mind it because I want to make it more attractive and it more unusual. Alright. 11 has 1 red block in a whole 11 blocks. So which means 11 is the second member of the 1 enders club. Here's our number block 11. And don't forget the number link there. And we got a football again to decorate at the end. So here's our number block 11. Alright, for the last character for the 1 enders is the number block 21. So number block 21 has 20 peach blocks and 1 red block in the middle. You see, 1 red block, so it represents the 1 enders. I like the number block 21 because 21 loves to explore. She loves to explore everything. And I love exploring too. So 21 is my favorite character. Here's our number block 21. We need 2 faceplates. 1 for her eyes. She has step-shaped mask because she's the 6th member of the Step Squad Club. And she has the mouth. And also an accessory. The most important is the accessory for her feather for the Explorer hat. And this is my number block 21. It's the 3rd member of the 1 enders. Alright, let's review all together. So for the 1 enders that I built, we got number block 1, 11, and a football, because 11 loves to play football, and the number block 21. So here are all the characters that we built. And which one do you like the most? 1, 11, or 21? Please leave the comments. Alright, let's move to the next club is the 2 enders. Okay, for the first character for the 2 enders is the number block 2. This is the 2nd member of the number block club. 2 is the 1st member of the 2 enders club. He has 2 orange blocks, 1 faceplate, and 1 number link. And he ends with the number 2. And he has 2 orange blocks. So here is our number block 2. For the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 12. 12 has 10 white blocks, 2 orange blocks, And that's all. Sorry. Well, 12, she has a super rectangle because she can make so many rectangles. There, we build 12 into 3 by 4 rectangle formation. Like this. And then we need 2 faceplate. One orange faceplate for her eyes and the eyebrows. And another for her another faceplate is for her mouth. Here's our number block 12. 12 is the second member of the 2 Enders Club. Alright, for the last character for the 2 Enders Club is the number block 22. So 22 has 20 peach blocks and 2 orange blocks. He has 2 orange blocks in the whole 22. So we will the number block 22 into usual shape, into normal shape, is the 4 blocks wide. Alright, 22 can split into 2 lots of 11s. That's because 22 is the second member of the football club. Oh my god. You can build so many ways on the number block 22. Alright, here's our 20. And then we need 2 orange blocks more to make 22. Alright. I think I shouldn't put the number. Alright. And then 21. And the another one is 22. Yes, we got 22 blocks. So we need 4 faceplates, eyes, another eye, and the mouth. His eyes are bigger than others. That's because 22 is made out of 2 lots of 11s. The sticker is getting older and older. But anyways, don't think about it. Here's our number block 22. I don't know why 22 face is getting smaller and smaller. Alright, and here's our 22. Let's review all together. We got 2, 12, and 22. So we got 3 characters, but there's more, 32, 42, and so on. And which character do you like the most? 2, 12, or 22? Please leave the comments. Alright, let's move for the last club is the 3 Enders. For the first character that we build today is 3. 3 is the first member of the 3 Enders. Because she ends with the number 3 and she has 3 yellow blocks. And here's our finish, number 3. Look at me. For the next character that we're going to build today is 13. Oops, I mean 10 and 3. Sorry. Don't make that number get too clumsy. Alright. Well, anyways, 13 has 10 white blocks and 3 yellow blocks. And he's the second member of the 3 Enders because he ends with the number 3. And also he has 3 yellow blocks. Wow, so unlucky me. Don't say his name, because if you say his name, his 3 yellow blocks falling apart. Alright. And the numbering 13. Here's our finish. Number block 13. Oopsie. Last character that we're going to build today is 23. 23 is made out of 20 peach blocks and 3 yellow blocks. And also 23 has 3 Enders, and he also has 3 yellow blocks in the whole 23. So we build 23 like this. And he has rounded eyes. That's because He is the prime number. He can make any rectangles, but he never mind at all. I am 23, happy being me. Which like this. Oh, that's okay. There. And then we got 2 faceplates. One for his eye and his mouth. And then one for his another eye, because his face is like this. And then we attached a number link for number block 23. Right, let's review all together. Let's count after me. 3, 13, whoopsie, sorry, and then 23. Oh yeah, that's all of today's video. You want to see the next part for the 4 enders, 5 enders, and 6 enders? I hope you guys want to see that. But make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications for my new videos. So which character do you like most? 3, 13, or 23? Please leave the comments. So see you again next time. Bye bye.